Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make diabetic friendly and anti-cancer and liver cleaner without peeling the skin or extracting the bitter juice. Spicy, sour and tangy but not at all bitter stuff, bitter gourd or melon. But before the recipe, nutritional facts about bitter gourd or melon, health benefits, and most important, diabetic friendly, and it is not recommended for pregnant or for breastfeeding mothers. So that is the caution that we have to adhere to. According to nutritional sciences, never scrape or discard the bitter skin, the watery extract or the pulp and the seeds, as they can be dried, grounded, and the powder thereof can be added to curries, gravies, masalas and flours. And now for the recipe. Cut and de-seed the bitter gourd or bitter melon. Sun dry and ground the seeds to use later, and don't rub them with salt, lemon juice or vinegar. And now onions, lots of onions. Peel and chop them into coarse and grainy fine chop. You can use a blender or you can use a knife. Why the blender? Because it becomes more like a paste and easier, faster and quicker to cook. Therefore, continue till all the onions have been finely chopped. Now aag lagao and mustard oil, kachi ghani, cold pressed of course, and add the onions and stir well and stir really well. Cook till the juice or extract dries and onions become soft and translucent or transparent or opaque, and stir intermittently. Do not stop stirring, and add turmeric powder, coriander powder, sea or any natural salt, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala samples that I made for a client, but you can add any garam masala, mango powder, and stir well to mix well, and water fragrance starts to fill the air. Keep stirring and keep stirring, and when the onions become a little firmer, switch off the flames or the heat. Now stuff the bitter gourd or melon with the onion filling. This is what they should look like when done. Now switch on a hot plate and adjust to 200 degrees centigrade. This is just to preheat, by the way. Now when your pan is heated, add mustard oil, kachi ghani or cold pressed. Place all the bitter gourd or bitter melon to be cooked one by one and carefully. Now when done, cover and adjust the temperature to 60 degrees centigrade. Now after some time, uncover and check if the bitter gourd or melon is cooking properly. This is a constant step. Now cover, cook, uncover and periodically check at every regular period and after short intervals. Flip the side when bitter gourd or melon when soft. Be a little careful so as not to burn your fingers or your hands. Cover and cook, and after a short interval, uncover and check again. Flip the side of the bitter gourd or melon again. When done, allow to cook and cover after a short time again. Uncover and flip the side of the bitter gourd or melon and cover and cook. The process continues. Cover, cook, uncover and periodically check. If required, flip or rotate. The Remove the cover and cook for some time. Later, cover again and cook. This is to prevent the bitter melon from burning and becoming mushy. And when done, this is what they will look like, and perfectly well cooked. Remove the stuffed bitter gourd or bitter melon from heat and serve as such, or with chapati, fulka, roti, naan or parantha or anything of your choice.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.